You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Need to have, no, there's no, she don't have a belt. This is beautiful. I'm making my dress. This is my first time of making it. I can't really film because one, I'm not really that confident. I'm not that confident, and it's hard filming and also sewing at the same time. I don't have anybody here to help me with the filming of the material. Let me show you all my where I'm cutting all my fabrics. Right here on the floor. See my fabrics on the floor. It's my sewing machine. Hello everyone, welcome to the Unbreakable Woman. My name is Dr. Jenny. I am so happy. I am so excited. So yesterday, I decided to make a dress. You know, I've been using my machine. Let me show you my sewing machine that I got as my Christmas gift. I've been practicing for maybe like 5 times now. Just not even more than 5 times I've been practicing in the whole 2 weeks that I got the sewing machine. So I've been watching this lady on YouTube make a simple dress. I was like, you know what? I can do it. Okay, I can do it is different from I am doing it. So I wanted to go to Walmart to go get some materials to sew. But I said, let me check through my clothes, my African clothes, and see if there is something that I'm gonna find it to use. So fortunately, I saw this material there. It was a large material. I already have a jumpsuit with it, so the scarf is so gigantic. This is the scarf here that I had to cut to make this dress. I know you want to see my dress, but hold on. So I watched this lady on YouTube. I'm gonna show you her YouTube channel, and I was like, I'm gonna follow what she did. So do I have a table? The table I have, my son got for me, just this little table. So I put my exercise mat on the floor, and let me tell you, my back, my knees, my toes, my fingers, my neck, everything was hurting. Jesus, I was like, I can't do this. But another spirit, that strength of a woman, that spirit that says I can do all things through Christ that strengthens me, said you can do it. I said, my back is hurting. Okay, so I started cutting. I didn't know what I was cutting again. My eyes from nowhere, headache. I mean, when I mean headache, boom, my eyes, and my head was so big like this. I said, whew, I'm gonna stop. So what I did was, I went downstairs, made me a coffee and 2 slices of bread. I ate, came back up. I looked at this project. I said, I can't do it. But another spirit, which is the spirit of God, said, Jen, you can do it. So I started cutting again. And mind you, my hands are not strong in the needle because I'm sewing. I don't want the needle to pierce through my fingers. So I sewed and I cut and I sewed and I cut and I sewed and I cut. Woohoo! When everything was done, I said, it took me about 3 hours. Then I have to do this ruffle, even though the original dress didn't come with this ruffle. But me, I'm extra. I like to be extra. That's just who I am. I like to be extra. So in the night, I was like, I can be extra. So I started adding all this to it. And okay, so for those of you who are doubting me, for those of you who say, Jane, it's a lie. Jane, you can't make a call. Jane, you're not perfect. Jane, you can't do it. Let me tell you. Let me show you the cut-off materials. This is, so in the night when I come back, we're going to join this material. I'm going to cut it in two and join it so that it will be long for me to use as a scarf. I can't use it as a scarf because it's just too short. That's why I have to wear this, and I'm going to work like this. So let me get all the ruffle materials. For those of you who are doubting Thomas, these are all the material, the cut-off materials. Those of you say, Jen, you can't do it. Jen, you can't do it. I did it. I did it, buddy. I did it. I did it. I did it. Woo-hoo. You can't tell me nothing. Okay, let me show you before I get too excited. Even when I sent it to my boyfriend, he was like, did you order some African clothes and you didn't order for me? I said, no, I made this for myself. He was like, get out of here. Get out of here. You can't. Get out of here. I said, yep, baby. I did it. I did it. I did it. Okay, let me show you. This is how. Let me not move this. Let me move this far away a little bit. Okay. This is me right here. This is the back. This is me. Whoo! You can't tell me nothing. There's nothing you can tell this Jane. I can do all things through Christ that strengthens me. You can do all things. You can do all things. I'm trying to show you the length of it. Let me see if I can move a little bit further. I don't have anybody in the house to video me. Everybody have gone to work. You see? My dress! Woohoo! Let me bring my chair close. Draw me close to you. Woohoo! Never let me go. I lay it all down again just to hear you say that I'm your friend. You were my desire. I'm sorry, I'm just so happy. I'm just so excited. I know an African song will be like, Jesus, yeah, you have done it again. Jesus, yeah, in your special way. What was impossible, Baba, you made possible. Jesus, yeah. Woo-hoo. Don't set limitation for yourself. I will always preach this. I will always preach this. The devil wanted me to give up yesterday. The devil wanted me not to finish this dress yesterday. The devil wanted me to say, you only have been on the machine for 5 times. You can't sew. The devil came with a headache. The devil said, your head is blowing up. Your head is blasting up. Your head is falling apart. Stop. But the Spirit of God says, you can do it, my daughter. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. The devil knows who you are. The devil knows where you are in God. The devil knows what God has invested, what God has put in you. That's why it comes. The Bible said that the devil comes to kill, to steal, and to destroy. He knows who you are. That's why he doesn't want you to forge ahead. That's why he gives you those proclivities that you cannot do it. You are too little, you are too small, you are too short, you are too this, you are too that. You can do all things. Whatever you set your mind to do, believe me, the heavens are your starting point. I didn't know it could be possible. I didn't know I could do my own dress, but here I am rejoicing. Here I am happy. The devil didn't want me to do this dress. He didn't want me to make this dress, but I have done it. If I can do it, you can do it. You can do whatever you set your mind to do. Change your mindset. The I can do mindset. That's what I need you to cultivate this new year. This new year, I need you to cultivate I can do attitude. What am I saying again? God has given you everything that pertains to life. Go ahead and achieve life. I am happy. I am thankful. I am grateful. You see me? You see what I'm doing? I wanted to do this dress just to show my ladies that I don't just talk. I talk and I do. I wanted to show my ladies that it's possible. So you will not say, Jennifer, Sister Jennifer is only talking. She's not doing. No, I talk and I do. I talk and do. I talk and do. What is that you want to do? What is that you want to achieve? Do you know it's possible for you to achieve that life? Did you know it's possible? You have the grace of God in your life. You have the power of God in your life. You can achieve whatever you set your mind to achieve. Don't let the devil tell you otherwise. This is the message I have for my sisters and our brothers who watch us on this channel. That you have everything, all the powers, all the strength to achieve life. So, my sisters, journey with me as I make another design. I don't know what else I'm going to make because I wasn't even planning on making designs. I only planned on doing alteration. But here I am. I have designed my own clothes. It might not be perfect to everybody, but guess what? This is me. This is my style. This is who I am. If you want to open a business, if you want to go back to school, whatever you want to do, set your mind to do it. The heavens are just your starting point. You can do it. You can say, Jenny, I'm a stay-at-home mom. So what? Stay-at-home mom can learn how to sew, how to knit, how to crochet. I always say that this is why rich people are rich, because they have multiple streams of income. What I know now, if somebody had taught me 10 years ago, maybe I would have been a multi-millionaire. But I know it's not late. That's why I'm trying to inculcate that into your head also. But you can do it. You can achieve life. Don't wait to be handed down things, because nobody's going to hand you down things. Nobody's going to give you things for free. You have the power, you have the strength to make things happen for you. If I did it, you can do it. I'm going to insert some footage of when I was cutting. I couldn't video like that because, like I said, my back was hurting me. So maybe when I do it again, when I make another design, maybe my son or my daughter, they're going to be able to help me. And I forgot that my kitchen, I have a breakfast bar in my kitchen. I could have used the table to cut my material. It didn't occur to me until I was done doing the sewing. When I went downstairs to the kitchen, I was like, man, I could have used this kitchen. I could have used the table to cut my materials. Like when I woke up this morning, my back, my shoulders were hurting. But I'm fine, because when I look at what I've designed, I'm just so, just so happy. I'm just so, this is me. Thank you. I will talk to you next time. My books are on Amazon.com. Women's 10 Rules for a Happy Life and The Hidden Diary of a Bishop's Wife, My Untold Truth. This is the journey of my childhood to my marriage life and to who I have become right now. My story of being married to a bishop. And this one is my latest book, A Constipated Life: How to Break Free from Self-Imposed Limitations, Unclog, Unstop, and Become Unstoppable. How to break free from self-imposed limitations. Self-imposed limitations. That's what I said. I wrote in this book. We can break free, ladies. We can break free from the chains that hold us bound, from the chains of our mental slavery. We can break free. I'm already breaking free. I've already broken free. Let's change our mindset and let's just so like the eagles. I am so excited. I'm going to work, but I'm going to wear sweater on this. So I'm going to put a picture or a video of sweater on it because it's winter now. I can't go out like this, but I wanted to dress like this to show you that it's possible, to show you what I made this past Sunday. I am so excited. I am so happy. I am so happy. Oh, I will talk to you next time. Bye. Remember that the Lord is the strength of a woman, and nobody's going to love you more than you love yourself. Mwah!